My name is Ivana, I am from Czech Republic and I am studying media and journalism in university in Brno. And I am working now like a web administrator, and also I am writing an articles for one weddings agency. And now I am preparing the article about winter's weddings, so I am really looking forward to this work. I just wanted to go abroad to internship for maybe 3 years ago. This 3 years ago starts my motivation to go abroad. So I wanted to go to France firstly, to Grenoble, but this was unsuccessful because this institution there just didn't respond me. And then I sent my application to Sweden, and they just choose another person because this field it was about more social things, not so about journalism. And then we were in the expo in Milan, and we saw, and we were in this pavilion of Slovenia, and we saw that how amazing country Slovenia is, and that you have really nice natures, and I fell in love with this country. We have in the Czech Republic pages which called Mladí info Czech. It's like young info Czech Republic. To go abroad, to go to EVS, to go somewhere like to internship, to Erasmus internship. And I saw this, that Socialne Akademia is looking for some people here in the field journalism, which was great because it was exactly for me. And I just sent the application like that. I think that okay, I will send it and nothing happened, and they will not want me, and they wanted me. So I wanted to help here in Socialne Akademia with some administration things. It wasn't so easy for every time because I'm not speaking Sloven. So I tried to help with something. So I hope I helped enough. Like EVS volunteer, you need to be in the work for 7 hours per day. So this was one of the obligation. And also, like EVS volunteer, you need to have some project on the end. My project is 9 short films about my unemployment life, which was amazing to create this project. It's hard to say what, but I think that it was mainly in English, that I have much better English than before. Communication in English with people. I couldn't imagine before that I will have some speech before a group of people, and now I can. I don't have a problem with this, and I was really surprised that it's happened, because it's happened already in on arrival training with EVS. So it was for me, or it is for me, really useful and really good to the future. And also that I learned how to make a film and how to cut it in a Premiere, and how to write script and these things, which is really useful for my future work like a journalist. Most important feature is, I think, objectivity, which is a big problem nowadays, not to be under pressure from the side of owners of media and also of the owner of another company in the world, and also to have general knowledge about things. I think that this also helps to be objective, more objective, and try to find information from every side, from every people involved. Yeah, it is good to have this knowledge about like general knowledge about everything, but I think it's also good to be expert in one part, which it's really important for you in the future. Like if the people want to want to write or want to make a film about economy, I think it is necessary to be also expert to economy. Maybe not to the highest level, but it's really good to be like really good in this part, because how the people can write an articles about some topics when they just don't know anything about this concrete topic. It's impossible, and it's not objective, it's not good. Really, I think that this is also a really important part. It's good to be expert in topic, and also to be a little bit expert in your genre, which you choose. My biggest plan now is to final my magister studies, to finalize my diploma thesis, get some job. I want to go to another internship to abroad, because I think it's really amazing to be somewhere and to be in an internship, and when the people can speak English and another languages, and it's about another culture. So I would like to go to abroad to be an internship again. And I'm also thinking about Slovenia, because it's really nice. It's a really nice country. It's also a possibility, big possibility to stay in Czech Republic, but I'm not sure if I will have the work which will be useful and nice for me. So I will see. Similar things, it's the nature, and also the people are similar, and I think that a lot of nowadays problems are really similar, and also of course the past, the history of this country. Big difference for me is that the Slovenian people are just nicer than Czech people, because they are smiling all the day and they are really helpful to everybody, and also to foreign people. Czech people are not so nice. They are like to be angry on whole world every time and all day. And when you are walking in the Czech streets, you can see just this face like really, really angry to whole world, yeah. And you are really afraid to ask somebody to something. So this is a big difference. And also, of course, the knowledge of language, the knowledge of English. It's amazing in Slovenia. Every people here can speak English, even the people in the shop, like when they are sitting in the cash, or the people in the pekarna, and the people in the bakery. This woman in the bakery can speak English better than a lot of people in the Czech Republic. We don't have these good knowledges. Of course, young people maybe yes, but not everybody. But here everybody can speak English, and it's amazing. It's not about the party or to trip somewhere or something like that. It's maybe just big decisions, because I have a really big problem with saying no to people, and it's really problematic for me. And here was one situation which when I tried to say no, and finally I said no, and it was really good for me, because for every time I'm afraid to say no, because I just think that after this will happen something really bad to me, and that the people will be angry on me, and when I said no here, just nothing bad happened. And thanks this starts the best second half of EVS, of my EVS experience. So this is big step for me, and I think it's craziest thing which I did here.